sarees I'm talking about, the approx price if I talk about, which starts from 500 rupees with blouse I'm talking about, and the designs and the colors, whatever you purchase, you can't find out with the other brand. That's what the manufacturers are having, the stock with the code, with the varieties, with the color chart. Hello friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the exclusive collections. If I talk about saree segment, these colors are very pretty, and this color, when I talk about many colors in a mixture of collections, it gives always rich. The color I'm talking about, the precious, which is white color. White is always rich, and if I talk about the mixing colors in this, it gives a very different pretty look. And white, if it gets dirty also, it gets very it highlights it, right? So today friends, I'm going to show you only a white based 100% cotton manufacturers of sarees, which is for only formal look, especially for the teachers, working women, and the lecturers who are working in an office background, clerk, all these kind of sarees, which gives a very pretty and simple and classy look for the formal. If we talk about cotton, cotton is always washing and putting starch and pressing the sarees. It takes some time, but cotton is always a preferable, and cotton is exporting to many countries. So friends, keep watching this video, subscribe the channel for the regular updates. There's a bell icon, just click it, please share with your friends, and regular product updates with the manufacturer you can tie up for your clothing business. So here are the samples of the white base, the cotton sarees I'm talking about. So all a pretty color, which is a white base with the different color charts. You can have a note also, the code, which is Mumtaz Cotton BP is the code. If I talk about this saree print, lavender color with a blue base saree, which is a leaf cum floral print is given, and the blouse which goes with a half white color. And this every saree you will find out the Kesaria logo, and every pretty saree is having a different color combination, which is one more saree. Here you can see here the mustard color saree. This is also one more pretty saree over here. This saree is also having a floral with a mustard print, mini small print of saree. This also one of the saree. And if I talk about the next pattern with the onion pinkish color, which I'm wearing the same kurti on the light pattern. So we do have a light settle colors also in the ready-made women apparels like kurtis. The color goes with whatever I'm wearing the pattern. So this is a dark onion color saree, onion color, and this comes, which is this is also one of the creamish color. The blouse you can see here, this is also one of the pattern. All sarees having a different color charts. So this is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next saree, which is very pretty, and this is a casual blouse, which you can see here, the print has been done checks pattern. And the saree, if I talk about the mehendi green color with a mini print, and the geometrical pattern highlighted at the border, multicolor leaf pattern. So such a pretty color. In this also you have a beautiful color options. So this is the one of the pattern over here. The blouse I am showing you. So this is the blouse. So every saree you have a different unique varieties. If I talk about the next saree, such a beautiful pretty black with white shade. So this is the one of the pattern over here. Black with grey color is a dark highlighted with mini butta. So this is one of the pattern. All sarees are different. Only white based lovers, if you want the sarees, you can have a different designs with different printed with the blouse. This sarees I'm talking about, the approx price if I talk about, which starts from 500 rupees with blouse I'm talking about. And the highest price, if we talk about 800 rupees, I'm not mentioning here the specific price on this, because many resellers are joined with us where they are doing a business, they are purchasing a stock, and that's why I'm not mentioning the price over here. You can take a screenshot. All these exclusive varieties you can also purchase. So this is also multicolored designer with the floral base. This saree also you can purchase with blouse. So this is one of the pattern. And if I talk about the next pattern, with the bold checks pattern with the leaf base, grey color with the black color finishing. This is also one of the pattern. See, these all varieties are beautiful with the Rangoli print pattern of the mini print with the blouse. All sarees having a beautiful print with unique designs, trending to trending. Manufacturers are keep updating. That's why I say you have to visit manufacturers. So if you are into a clothing business already, you're doing a business, you want to explore, or you want to have some cotton sarees, you want to expand with new collections, you have to visit. Visit purchase gives lot many ideas and clarity on the product purchasing, and products factory base price, what margin you can give it to, depend on your city or depend on your location. The price variance also there. So that's why you have to visit. If you want to visit, please tie with the right manufacturer where the women apparels like sari, lehenga, kurti, all these varieties you can purchase at one place. So these all varieties of saris with blouses only with the white base. These collections you have to purchase at factory price, and these collections are very fast moving collections all over the south or entire India. The cotton is exporting to many countries. We do have a cotton like kids collections, dupattas we do have a cotton kurtas, we do have a cotton saris, Gadwal cotton, Chanderi cotton. These all saris are Chanderi cotton, khadi cotton pattern also we do having. So these many more varieties. I do have this is a one more sari print where you can see on the leaf pattern that the border has been highlighted. This is also one of the pattern, and here is also one of the pattern you can see here. So this is a matte look finishing, but the blouse is different and the highlighted with a dark blue color. All these varieties you can purchase only from a Kesaria manufacturers, and the designs and the colors whatever you purchase you can't find out with the other brand. That's what the manufacturers are having the stock with the code, with the varieties, with the color chart, and season to season it's keep on updating. So cotton resellers, cotton retailers, if you want to have a cotton products, you have a make a list, you can contact or manufacturers in online 24/7 you can purchase. And even we do have a video calling facilities. You can shop, you can walk around to our office and shop which is located at Surat city, which is in the Gujarat state. Surat is very familiar to Diamond City and even textile market, so that's why you have to come down to Surat Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. You can come from airport, you can come from railway station also. We do have a pickup drop facilities. If any agents are calling you, if your brokers are calling you, please avoid. You have a Google map, you have a mobile, you can use the location and you can come down to the location exactly. And once you reach our shop, you can contact our reception point. According to your language, you will get the sales executives, either Tamil, Telugu, English, Kannada. All executives are provided by you, even in the offline purchase, even in the online purchase. So this collections, I end up this collections of video of the white base 100% cotton sarees with blouse. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment box which city you're watching the video and what kind of collections you are looking for. Let me know. I'll do the videos according to that, and keep supporting me. Please share with your friends, relatives the collections with the link with the channel. Follow the website page, social media pages of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Next video we'll meet. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसर।